In today's information-rich world, the ability to interpret and synthesize information from both text and graphics is a crucial skill. Texts with related graphic information are prevalent in various forms of media, including textbooks, magazines, and websites. These graphics, whether they are illustrations, photographs, charts, or diagrams, serve to enhance the reader's understanding of the accompanying text. They provide visual context, clarify complex ideas, and can even present data in a more digestible format. For students, particularly those preparing for exams like the GED reading test, mastering the skill of integrating information from text and graphics is essential for drawing accurate conclusions and making informed observations. To illustrate the importance of this skill, consider a passage about climate change accompanied by a line graph depicting global temperature changes over the past century. The text might describe the trend of rising temperatures and discuss contributing factors such as greenhouse gas emissions. The accompanying graph visually represents this trend, showing a clear upward trajectory in global temperatures. By analyzing the graph alongside the text, students can better understand the magnitude and implications of climate change. They can observe how the data supports the text's claims and identify any patterns or anomalies that might warrant further investigation. When approaching texts with related graphic information, it is important to follow a systematic process. First, read the text carefully to grasp the main ideas and key details. Next, examine the graphic closely, noting its title, labels, and any accompanying legends or keys. Consider how the graphic relates to the text. Does it provide additional evidence? Does it illustrate a process or concept described in the text? Does it highlight a particular aspect of the information that the text does not fully explore? For example, a magazine article about renewable energy might include a pie chart showing the percentage of energy produced by different sources, such as solar, wind, and fossil fuels. The text may discuss the benefits of renewable energy and the challenges of transitioning from fossil fuels. By analyzing the pie chart, students can visualize the current energy landscape and understand the proportion of energy derived from each source. This visual representation can help them appreciate the scale of change needed to increase the share of renewable energy. When analyzing informational texts, it is essential to consider how the related graphic information complements the written content. Graphics can provide additional context, clarify complex ideas, or present data in a more digestible format. Here's a step-by-step approach to analyzing a passage with a related graphic. A. Read the text carefully. Begin by reading the passage thoroughly. Pay attention to the main ideas and supporting details. B. Examine the graphic. Look at the related graphic information closely. Determine what type of graphic it is, e.g., chart, infographic, diagram, and what information it conveys. C. Make connections. Consider how the graphic relates to the text. Does it illustrate a point made in the passage? Does it provide statistical data that supports an argument? D. Evaluate effectiveness. Assess how well the graphic enhances your understanding of the text. Does it clarify concepts? Does it add depth to the information presented? In some cases, graphics may present information that is not explicitly mentioned in the text, offering an opportunity for deeper analysis. A diagram in a biology textbook might show the process of photosynthesis, with arrows indicating the flow of energy and matter. While the text explains the chemical reactions involved, the diagram provides a visual summary of the process, helping students to see the connections between different components. By integrating the text and the diagram, students can develop a more comprehensive understanding of photosynthesis. To effectively combine information from text and graphics, students should practice critical thinking and analytical skills. They should ask questions such as, what does the graphic add to my understanding of the text? Are there any discrepancies between the text and the graphic? How does the graphic help to clarify or expand upon the text's message? By engaging with both text and graphics in this way, students can enhance their comprehension and retention of information. Let's check for understanding. Use the given map to answer the following question. Which statement best summarizes the information on the map? A. It shows the areas of North America claimed and settled by various countries in 1750. B. It shows the areas of North America claimed by the Spanish in 1750. C. It shows the areas of North America claimed by the French in 1750. D. It shows the areas of North America claimed by the English in 1750. The correct response is A. It shows the areas of North America claimed and settled by various countries in 1750. Use the given map to answer the following question. Which country had the most territory in North America in 1750? A. England. B. France. C. Spain. D. 13 colonies. The correct response is B. France. In conclusion, texts with related graphic information are powerful tools for learning and communication. They enable readers to engage with content on multiple levels, combining verbal and visual elements to create a richer understanding of complex topics. For students, particularly those preparing for standardized tests like the GED, developing the ability to integrate information from text and graphics is an invaluable skill. By honing this skill, students can become more effective readers, capable of drawing insightful conclusions and making informed decisions based on the information presented to them. This has been a production of D&J Designs and MathMan 1962. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up. If you want to be informed when new videos are posted, please click on the bell. If you want to see all the videos on this channel, click on the subscribe button. Free adult ed instructional materials are available at http://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.